Alright, so by now we should have finished up all of these different value scales using the different color schemes that I presented. So now we're gonna, and also using rendering. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn this so you can see it. Alright, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use these color schemes again over here, but I'm going to be changing out the different kind of modeling technique or rendering technique that I'm going to use. Okay, I'm not going to use blue again, and I could switch back and forth between these and have them be different colors. Okay, so for this one I'm going to go ahead and start with yellow. Don't know what I'm going to do here yet, but I'm going to use its complement. Here, not exactly sure yet, but I'm going to use split complementary. So pay attention how I'm doing this. Okay, you'll see me switching colors off, but also which technique I'm going to be using. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this up so you can just see me working. For this next part, I'm going to be using red with the split complementary, blue-green, and yellow-green. So I'm going to have to use these colors right here. Now, since I do not actually have a yellow-green, I'm going to actually combine yellow with green and then green with blue to create these colors. Okay, so again, I'm going to be using red, with yellow-green, and blue-green.